back to our very exciting performance night, live na live dito sa AFP Theater.
This is the semifinals, and you know what? Your vote counts. Truly!
Truly! At ituloy na natin ang competition with this dancing couple na nagpa-in-love at talagang nagpatayo sa ating mga balahibo.
That's right. From Cebu, please welcome May and Anselmo.
Sa dance sport kasi may express ko yung feelings ko.
Siya rin siguro yung nakakaintindi ng attitude ko. Kilala na niya ako, tapos kilala ko na rin siya.
Fantastic.
Very thankful ako, at least na-appreciate ng mga judges yung ayaw namin. Nung pumunta na kami doon for our batch, yun, kinakabahan, nanginginig yung paakot.
You're in.
Very, very, very proud pa ako na i-represent yung Cebu.
We don't want really to expect, but we hope for the best.
International ang galing at itinayo ang bandera ng Pilipinas pagdating sa dance sport.
That's right. Please welcome the pride of Cebu, May and Anselmo.
Ainahiya may kapuana e mainoking kalakawa e huli may ko makaiyau e ala e ala e ala.
Wow! May and Anselmo!
Kaya natin yan.
Kaya natin yan,
Kaya
lover.
natin yan, Luis.
Guys, good job. You guys happy? Kaya pa. Hinga muna, hinga muna. May tanong muna ako sa inyo. Unfortunately, wala pang taga Cebu na nakakalusot sa Grand Finals. Eh, tingin nyo ba, kayo na yun?
Sana po, sana.
Well, I guess it's time to hear from our judges. Miss Ai?
Nakita ko pagpasok nyo pa lang, parang sabi nyo sa sarili nyo, this is it. Ito na ang pinaka-performance. Parang kinakain nyo ko sa stage. Kayo ay nasa right element, so congratulations.
Tamang-tama dahil kakagaling ko sa Cebu nung Monday. Babawi na po ako Cebu, wag na kayong magalit sa akin. You are world class.
Thank you po.
Yes, they
You
are.
are fabulous, unbelievable, and you make me wish I could dance.
I think they said it all, but I was expecting more dance numbers than acrobatics. Although, I mean, the movement was great, no? But I wanted more dance than acrobats. But overall, it was very impressive, yeah.
Thank you, judges.
Thank you, judges.
Now, if you want them to represent Cebu sa Grand Finals, tandaan PGT space May Ansel. That's Mayansel.
Again, PGT space May Ansel. 3 performance na lang, pwede na kayo bumoto. May and Ansel, thank you very much. Good
Thank
luck
you
sa
very
inyo.
much. We'll see you later on.
Kita tayo mamaya.